Today we are going to do this cube problem in a solid software. We draw thin lines to show center of the axis because it's in a prism. N means A, A1 in bracket, C, C1 in bracket, D, So here axis length it is 40.
Slant edge problems नहीं slant edge problems है ये syllabus में
तो slant edge problems
है नहीं पता नहीं
यहाँ से अलग है
ये और क्या की बोलना है तो ये ही स्पेशल केस प्रॉब्लम्स का कुछ जो है आपसे खाली ये एक है फ्री सस्पेंशन नहीं
पता चलता प्रिज्म का करना है we have to make it thick lines here. E dash and we are not able to see E dash. C dash visible, but D dash not visible. Okay. And here we have V1 dash visible, V1 dash not visible, okay, here we'll give the name So now we see here, so angle of inclination it is there with the if 50 means here base edge inclination we have to go. Okay. Line this base edge. This axis D1 and O1. And similarly, we have A, Z is B, C, D, this is O. First, we construct outer boundary line. Now, the top face it is visible. Okay, and the resting edge here it is dashed line. And finally, we have an axis from here to here. Okay. Now, angle of inclination to VP is 30 degree. So, draw a line and here we will give angle minus 30. Now we have to select this whole thing with respect to resting edge D1. Here, can go to rotate from D1 to C1. Finally, we have to project from D to here, D dash. Give the naming first here. This A dash, B dash, this is D dash, and this is O dash. Again, projection lines. E1 dash, C1 dash, and D1 dash. First, we have to construct the dashed line here. You can see nearest point x1 it is D. D is connected with C. D is connected with A, and D is connected with D1. So that's why from D dash to C dash dashed line, then D dash to A dash dashed line, then from D to D1 dash also dashed line. Then the remaining lines were drawn with a continuous line. Okay, finally we have an axis. Okay, so this completes the problem. Okay, today we are going to start problem number 43 from CAD solution book. Okay, it's a cube problem. So the dimension is given 40 mm side, rest on is on an edge. So which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw the projection with the lateral square face containing the edge on which it makes an angle of 50 degree. First we have to construct a square of dimension 40. Okay, we will draw thin lines here to connect the center of the axis. Here is the naming A, B, C, D, top face, A1, B1, C1, D1, O, O1. Front view we getting this, front view also 40 mm. B dash, A dash in bracket, C dash, D dash in bracket. Similarly A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash, E1 dash, and this is O dash. Lateral square face containing 58 means we have to do base edge inclination here. Base edge inclination is equal to 90 minus 40, that is 40 degrees. So here can take a reference point of C1 dash and D1 dash. Here marking at an angle of 50 degree. Measuring the length from here to here, cut the arc. This is A1 dash, B1 dash. So this is O1 dash. Okay. Now we will be marking at 90 degrees. So we have to draw a line of length 30 here, 540. So we can join here. So B dash, A dash, this is O dash, C dash, and D dash. So if we extend the axis, find out the angle of inclination here exactly 50 degree. Okay. So now projecting downward, so we can write here this is E1, B1, C1, D1, this is O1. Similarly we have this is A, this is B, This is C, this is D, and this is O. So first we construct an outer boundary line here. Outer boundary line we are constructing. This top face, it is visible, ABCD top face. Okay, the bottom face here, it is C1 and D1 not visible from the top face. That's why D1 and C1 it is in bracket. And finally we have an axis, so we are showing it. Now inclination to VP here 30 degree. So take a reference point here, mark for 30 degree. You have to take this reference point of D1. From D1 to C1, cut the arc. So this is dashed line. We'll be showing with the dashed line. Okay. So now suppose these points and be marking it exactly 90 degrees on either side. So now we are going to cut the arc. So we can join it. So this is A, B, this is A1, B1. So this is D, this is C. This is A1 and this is 1. So this remaining thing we are going to rub it. D dash, this is C dash. O dash. Okay, finally the bottom face. 1 dash, and this is we have B1 dash, B1 dash, this is D1 dash, and this is C1 dash. So okay, we take a nearest point. So nearest point exponent is D here. So D connected with C, D is connected with A, D is connected with D1. So these are the dashed lines. Okay, so understood, right? So from D to C, that is from D dash to dashed line, then D dash to A dash dashed line, then D dash to D1 dash dashed line. So remaining diagram. So this completes the problem, and finally we have an axis. Okay, so this completes the problem. So we can like the video, subscribe, and press on the bell icon.